Today, we will learn how to create chat graphics in Premiere. First of all, create a rectangle with Rectangle tool. Drag its nodes to create a rounded rectangle. Now, create a triangle shape with Pen tool like this, and merge it with the rectangle like this. Now, to duplicate it, press and hold Alt key and drag the video above. Shift the upper video a little forward. Now, drag and drop horizontal flip effect. Keep the upper video selected and go to Effect Controls panel in the Shape section, and keep the color green. I have kept this color code. You can copy it and paste this color code in the color of the other shape. Now make the Y position value of the green chat a little lower. Now create a text box in the white chat and type your text. Go to the Effect Controls panel and center it horizontally and vertically. Make the fill color black and increase the font size a little. Now do the same for the green chat. Create a text box and type the text. Center it and make the fill color white. Now go to the first frame of the white chat and turn on the toggle animation of scale and set the value to 0. Move forward 10 frames and set the value to 121. Then move forward 5 frames and undo the value. Do the same with the green chat. Now keep a gap of 15 frames between both the chats. Now go to the Effect Controls panel and select the keyframes and right-click and choose the Ease Out option. Again, right-click and choose the Ease In option. Do the same with other chat.
That's it for today. If you like the video, then subscribe to the channel. GraphiX Studio is now available on Instagram. Do follow on Instagram for such videos. Also, GraphiX Studio is available on WhatsApp public channel. Follow to the official channel by searching in Find Channels or click the link given in the description.